Bruschetta is the easiest thing in the world to make. It's a great party food and it's perfect for entertaining. Here I have a French baguette, which I'm going to slice it up with a serrated knife. I'm going to cut it in an angle so that I get a nice long slices. I'm going to toast these under a preheated broiler for about 10 minutes until it's toasty and brown. Before I put this in the oven, I'm going to brush it with a little olive oil. Sprinkle it with a little salt and season it with a little fresh black pepper. This is ready to go in the oven. While the bread is in the oven, I'm going to make the topping for the bruschetta. I have plum tomatoes, which I'm going to chop up. To the tomatoes, I'm going to add some fresh basil leaves. I'm going to chop these basil leaves. Blend in. To the mixture, I'm going to add chopped garlic, salt, crushed red peppers, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and pepper. And to finish it, I'm going to add some cooked shrimp. Mix well. And the topping is ready. Meanwhile, I'm going to check on my bread. The bread is now ready and we're going to put the toppings on it.